In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and delete Yahoo Contacts. We'll start by getting into your Yahoo account, then we'll add a new contact, and finally, we'll remove one you no longer need. Open your browser and head to the Yahoo homepage. On the upper right of the screen, click Sign In. If you see your account listed, select it to continue. If not, enter your login credentials and follow any prompts to complete Sign In. Keep your information private and make sure you're on the official Yahoo site before proceeding. Once you're signed in, click Mail at the upper right to open Yahoo Mail. This takes you to your inbox. From here, look for Contacts. Depending on your layout, you may see a contacts icon or a label in the sidebar or top area of the mail interface. Click it to open your address book. To add someone new, click Add a New Contact. A form will appear where you can enter details. Start with their name and primary email address, since those are the essentials for emailing. If you have more information, like a phone number, company, job title, or notes, add those too to keep your address book useful and organized. Double check the spelling of the email address so messages reach the right person, and consider adding a brief note about how you know them for future reference. When you're satisfied, click Save. You should now see the new contact listed. If you plan to email this person often, adding a clear first and last name helps Yahoo suggest the contact quickly when you start composing a message. Next, let's remove a contact you no longer need. In your contact list, click the contact you want to delete to open their details. Look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called More Options, usually near the top of the contact card. Click it, and choose Delete Contact. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to remove this entry. Click OK to confirm. The contact is now deleted and will no longer appear in your list. That's it. You've signed in, opened Yahoo Mail, accessed contacts, added a new contact with the details you want, saved it, and then deleted a contact using the three-dot menu and a confirmation. If your interface looks slightly different, the core actions are the same. Sign in, go to Mail, open contacts, use Add to create, and the three dots to delete. Keep your contacts tidy by updating details when they change and removing entries you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.